This is Gordon Johnson. I'm interviewing Tom Harding. Tom, why is it that defense attorneys want to blame the plaintiff counsel for the trial, the length of the trial, the cost, and call us greedy?
Well, because they don't have anyone else to blame. Because if they told the truth, they'd have to blame themselves. So let me give you the example. In my jurisdiction, we typically charge a third for motor vehicle cases as our fee. And imagine you had a car accident, you were injured by the other person, and it was their fault. And you came to see me, and by some magic process, I could say, you're entitled to $100,000 for all of your damages, for your lost wages, your future wages, your medical care, your pain and suffering. It's $100,000. Sign here, please. And in about 5 years, we'll have a trial. And you have a chance of making $100,000. We always have a chance of losing, and you have a chance of getting less than $100,000, and a chance of getting a bit more, but not usually much. And I'm going to take a third of that, plus tax, so you'll walk out of the room with $55,000. And then the next day you went and saw the insurance people, and they said, by some magic process, you're entitled to $100,000. We'll give you 50 today. Anybody sane would take the 50 today. And the only reason that plaintiff lawyers have work is the defense industry is so awful, they won't even offer people half of what they're entitled to. So when they come to us, it's actually worthwhile to them, because even if they got 100% of what they're entitled to through our work, they walk away with 60% maybe, and that's better than nothing.
Do you find in your cases that most of the time the reason people hire lawyers is that the insurance adjuster, the insurance person has just pissed them off so much?
I've almost never had a client in 24 years who came to me for money. Almost every client I've had, that would be thousands, has tried to resolve the problem themselves, often with very modest requests or demands, and the insurance people insult them. They lie to them and get caught. They treat them with utter disrespect in every way imaginable. Most people who work for insurance companies, there's no constraint on them. They don't sign up for any ethical criteria. They can do anything they want as long as they say no.